Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. This is what's new. I received a package from my dad, and he's been making things lately. That's kind of where I get my talent for mechanics and odd things that I do. So I decided to go ahead and share it with my community. He's been making things like holsters, and I think he mentioned this is a knife, and I'm going to do a interview because I'm going to call him today, wish him a happy Easter. And I'll do a quick interview with him while I'm doing it. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. He says, I'm going to get my glasses on because I can't read. I'm writing this so I can get it into the box. This is what I'm doing in leather. I've made holsters, knife scabs, etc. He goes on to say he likes to mold leather. I've made small square holsters, shirt pockets. Of course, you never know what you're going to be carrying. I like Lowe's knife like this. You just press back and it closes. I carry one for all the time. So we will see. Okay, cool. So let's see what he's got. There we go. We got. Very nice. Have you done that? Oh, how coincidental. Yeah. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Oh, he's actually leather stitched. That's awesome. Because I'll definitely use that. Yeah, cobalt. Yeah, that's a nice knife. Yeah, that's one of the X-Acto blade foldables. And I'm going to be getting ready to do cutting up carpeting here, so this is gonna come in handy. These are illegal at work. That's a nice push in, retract. It's also got the belt loop there. But yeah, this is great. Yeah, you go to the store, it's going to cost you probably about $25-30 or something like that. Sweet. Thanks, Dad. Appreciate that. And what we got here? Something else. Oh, okay. The blades. Awesome. Awesome. Alright, so that's my dad's example of a knife holder. And like he says, he's been making them for pistols, revolvers, and custom for automatics. And I do have a little, actually my friend's got them, until I can get my pistol permit back. But I got a 45 auto, a 40 auto, and a small 32, which fits right in the palm of your hand. And I've got a couple of holsters for those. But yeah, this has been his hobby for a while now. And I'm going to do a quick interview with him here in a little while. So stay tuned. All right, welcome to my vlog. And I'm going to get my dad on the phone, and we're going to discuss how he made this. And this is it's really heavy leather, and he actually buck stitched. I call it buck stitching. The leather together, and then he put a rivet at the top, really hold it solid. The other thing is he put my initials in it, and the other thing is it's got to be really. I'm curious about how he formed it, because when you get this leather, it's just flat. So I haven't seen him do it, but I'm going to have him explain how he did do it. And it's all buck stitched together. I'm wondering if he had to do the buck stitch by hand. So we're going to find out here real quick. Hey, Dad, you're now being recorded.
I am now being recorded.
Yes,
okay?
And then you will be able to watch the playback in a couple days.
Okay.
Yeah, this is great. Now, when you're making this, it's a real thick leather.
Yeah, I use real heavy saddle leather, and I've made all kinds of things. I'm into making little small holsters now for the North American Arms stainless steel 22.
Okay.
Little pistols.
Right.
And I've sold a number of those.
Awesome. And
I sold one to a lady who had one. You can carry them, the little pistols, North American Arms pistols, you can carry in your pocket book, and you'd never know they were there.
Right.
So she bought the first one, and then she came back, and she wanted one with the holster open at the end.
Okay.
So the barrel would be open.
Right.
So that she could just pull it out of her pocketbook and just cock it and fire it without even taking it out of the holster.
Oh, there you go.
So I just sold another one to a man last week. No, the one, yeah, but his knife. But I've made a number of those knife holsters. I've made one for all the Bray family, and I like that type of a knife.
Right. Yep, it works.
The way it opens.
Yeah, just like a regular lock blade.
Right.
Yep.
So I wear one on my belt all the time, and I just got the idea that I'd make a few more. So
there you go.
I made yours, and then I made 4 more for the Brays.
I need one. I need one to hold a flashlight.
Yeah, I also made a couple with the little Maglite flashlights.
Oh, good.
I made 3 or 4 of those.
Okay.
And but I enjoy working with the leather, and right now the people that have bought the little holsters for the pistols.
Okay.
Would like the little. I make a little small leather pocket with a snap on it.
Right.
It'll hold 6 shells,
Oh, good.
bullets. So you can just carry it in your pocket.
So similar to this one here, but it's got a flap, a locking flap, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. This is separate. It's a little 3-inch by 3-inch square leather pouch.
Okay.
With a snap on it, and it's molded so you can slide 6 22 Magnum
Shells in it.
in it, and it snaps closed, and you just carry it in your pocket, and it doesn't take up any room at all. That's what I've been making now.
Because I carry a Leatherman Crunch, because it has a built-in pair of vice grips to it.
Oh yeah.
And it fits in there. It fits in here perfectly. But it is a little loose because, of course, it wasn't custom made to that. But if it had if this one here had a top flap on it, it would be perfect.
I see.
Because as you'll see in the video, I'm showing it right now with the Leatherman inside it, and it comes right. The top of the Leatherman comes right to the top of the belt.
I see.
The belt loop. But it's just wasn't contoured to that. But if it had a custom flap, locking flap on it, it would be absolutely perfect for that. But it works perfect for the Cobalt. That's a good brand too, Cobalt.
Yeah.
Brand knife.
You open the knife by just pressing down on the very back there.
Right.
Where a lot of them you have to press on the other side. You have to push this little thing in to release it, and then it closes. Right. So that's a kind of a pain in the butt. So
right.
Everybody likes the Cobalt knives.
Right.
I went in to look for another one yesterday, and they're completely out of them. That particular model. Because
it does have it also has the belt, the belt clip combination too for it.
I like it with the holster where the little belt clip slides onto the holster and holds it there.
Right. Yeah, that was good. It fits my working belt, which is I think about a two inch width, maybe 2.5.
I see.
Let's see, that was 2. Yeah, my belts.
I see. Okay, we all through recording now?
1.5. How do you do the buck stitching? Is that with a machine, or are you doing that by hand?
I do it by hand.
Wow.
And then I have a mold that I made out of wood.
Okay.
And I use that as a form.
Okay.
For the knives.
Okay.
And then I wet the leather and press it around the form.
Okay.
And then I take a hairdryer and dry the leather. You can leave it and let it, dry by itself. But I take the hairdryer and dry it so I can continue on making it. But I use the saddle stitching with wax thread, and
I noticed that.
I have a good time with it.
There you go.
It's just a hobby, but
sure.
I've sold some to sports stores and
makes enough to buy the material.
Ones that I've showed,
right?
They like it, and oh my gosh, and they want one, and so I sell what I make. So
there you go, and it pays for your all your supplies.
Right. I have a couple of them that I've made that goes in your shirt pocket.
Okay.
Real flat with a molded holster in it, and that goes right in the shirt pocket, and you put your little pistol in it, and you'd never know you were carrying it.
Very nice.
So anyway.
Yeah, your little ones. Awesome, Dad.
Yeah, I have a good time.
Awesome.
Okay, Dana.
Okay, Dad. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll talk to you later.
Okay, you'll get to see yourself. You'll get to hear yourself here soon.
I really don't want to look. Okay, talk to you later.
Talk to you.
Mom,
Yeah.
for just a second.
Yeah, put Mom on. Love you.